Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Instinct 2X Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the menu button. After the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through it. Scroll through the menu, find the system option, and once you select it, press the GPS button to enter. And here you should see the language option. Select it and then press the GPS, and now you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it and select it, you can press the GPS button, then select apply and press GPS to confirm. And the language will be applied after a couple of seconds. At least it should, so let's press the GPS button again. Seems like it's frozen. Okay, now it's back, and as you can see, the language is applied. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also change the system language through the phone application. So we can move this to the side, like this, bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera, like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the application called Garmin Connect, because this is the app you use to pair the devices together. And in the Garmin Connect application, you can tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, and here you should see your Instinct 2X Solar. Tap on it, then scroll down, find the system option and select it. And here you should see language. Tap on it, it will open the list of languages. Find the language you want to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, then tap on apply. You will see this pop-up that the settings have been set. You need to go back to the main page, resync your watch, and once the watch is done syncing, the language will be changed. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.